I swear to God, if that ketchup's not organic, I'm gonna flip its it.
Right now, I'm gonna try to break through the defenses by hitting you.
Please explain to me. How are you gonna do that?
We're gonna mark up there, alright?
Oh, okay. Oh.
Dude, that was
I planned that.
pretty smooth.
Oh, smooth operator. I wish my dating game was as good as that.
Nah, fam.
Oh. Stop!
No.
No!
No!
Daniel, let's stick together. Because I want to drag you around if you
My
die.
eyeballs are
I don't know what to tell you. You ready?
standing by, Felicia.
Medic!
I got you!
Oh God. Oh,
Come on!
you do you. I'll help you.
Come on! Come on!
I'll hop.
Down, down, down.
They're gonna stay. Whoa, that's a bee's nest. Get out! Bees!
Traitor. Well, I mean, could have just Colin farted, so Colin's a fart. Technically. Oh God!
I mean, I missed.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna actually shoot you that close. Okay, I'm watching.
I'm gonna take pop shots.
I don't see any.
Kitties.
Nick is pushing up. Pushing up. Bang bang! Wait, are you okay? I said bang bang, are you okay?
Hit my teeth.
Oh, are you okay? Dude, you have a bloody tooth.
Oh.
Here. I got it. Here, let me, do you want, we can go get some, toilet paper.
Yeah.
Get it? Okay, here. I'll escort you. Did I hit your lip or your tooth? Oh, dude, it's chipped. I'm not joking. Oh, are you okay? Okay, let's get him out of here.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, let me see it, okay? Here, let's get this off of you.
Is that a permanent tooth?
Yeah, probably. It's not like he still has baby teeth.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Damn, son.
Yeah, dude, what happened there?
Just
Okay.
hit Jaden.
Yeah.
I opened my mouth right before you.
Oh, really?
That's why, yeah.
I'm sorry, dude. I did not mean to.
That's pretty bad, dude.
Yeah. Bang bang! Bang bang!
What's up, everyone? This is Colin. Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button, rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Contribute to my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.
Nice.
For a second, I thought you said rape, comment, and subscribe.
That too.